Good morning, children. My name is Afzal Shabi, a faculty of Hindi. I am from Montessori Group of Schools, Telangana. Today I am going to teach 3-letter words. In previous class, we learned about 2-letter words and how to form a word and how to pronounce a word. We learned that. Now I am going to explain about 3-letter words. How to form 3-letter words. First, 3-letter words means 3 अक्षर वाले शब्द without the symbol. I am going to explain without a symbol. First you must have to learn about how to form a word and how to read a word without symbols. With symbols, if later we will know, but without it is very easy to learn. Then without, if we learn after that, then with the symbols we can learn later. Then see, 3 अक्षर वाले शब्द. 3 अक्षर वाले शब्द means 3-letter words. First you must have to know the letters fluently. Ka, kha, ga, gha, inya. Ka varg I told you. Ka varg, cha varg, ta varg, ta varg, pa varg, ya varg, ya. This one all. See children, while we say to write any word, no, you must have to remember the varg. First you must have to keep in your mind that verbs. Ka varg. In the ka varg, what are the letters are there? Example, if I say to write null or jal or sar or ghar, this all, if I say the words to write, no, you must have to fast you have to write. Then these letters all you must have to keep in your mind. Ghar, then ghar means where the gha is coming. Then in ka varg, ka, kha, ga, gha, gha. Gha and ra, yara, lava, in the ra, gha and ra, ghar. Last class I explained all this one. First now I am going to explain 3 अक्षर वाले शब्द, 3-letter words. How to form 3-letter words? Same as like that. 2-letter words, how we formed ga plus ja is equal to gaj. I explained no, ga plus ja is equal to gaj. These 2 letters, if we join, it will become a word. Ga plus ja, gaj. Then now 3-letter words. How to form a 3-letter word? Very easy. See, here we formed 2-letter, no? Now 3-letter is very easy. Ka plus ma plus. In this one, choose any letter. But that letter, that word have to become a meaningful word. Then only. सार्थक शब्द, निरर्थक शब्द. In Hindi, शब्द 2 प्रकार के होते हैं. Words 2 types. Then what is one is सार्थक, another one is निरर्थक. सार्थक means meaning, that particular word having meaning. Then निरर्थक means that meaning did not have any, that word did not have any meaning. Understand? Then ka, ma, la. These 3 you must have to join them. Ka, ma, la. Then I told you, no, first while writing the word or a letter, first you must have to write. From where you have to start and how to end I shown already. Then you must have to see that one. From where it is the starting and where to end. Then while we are writing the word, no, it is important to not to give the header first. First you must have to write a letters. What are the letters given here? You must have to write here first. Then how to finish with the header. Then the pronunciation of the letter. What is that? Ka plus ma plus la. These 3 in maths. What you are doing? If the teacher is given 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus this one something, you must have to add. Plus means you have to add. Now here also plus means we have to join this one. Ka plus ma plus la. Ka, ma, la. Kamal. Join the sound. Combine the sound of these 3. Then it will become a word. Ka, ma, la. Kamal. The next. See, ma plus ga plus ra. What is the word? Magar. Ma, ga, ra. Magar. Easy, no? See, ma, ga, ra. Magar. Pronunciation also important. That's why I am saying ma, ga, ra. Magar. Join it. How I am writing? Then another one. Na, ha, ra. Join this one. Nahar. Na, ha, ra. Nahar. Kamal means a lotus. Magar means a crocodile. Then nahar means a canal. Then next another one. See? Cha plus ma plus na. Join this word. Very easy then. Join these three letters. Cha. Without the header. First you must have to write all the letters. Cha, ma, na. Chaman. It will become a word. Chaman. Cha, ma, na. Chaman. Chaman means garden. Then next. A plus cha plus la. Achal. See? A, cha, la. Achal. Achal means mountain. Achal means mountain. Then next. With hard words also. See? Na plus sha plus tra. Join this one. See? What is given there? What are the letters it is there? First important. What are the letters? Compulsory you must have to see there. Which letters did not have full matra? That's why we are not giving the full header before that one. Some children what they will write, if we say to write any word, example, kalam. Okay. Ka, la, ma. Instead of writing this all, see? Ka, what is there in that one? Ka plus, la plus, ma. Kalam. They will write this type also. This is a mistake one. No. That's why we won't have to give the full header before writing of a word. We won't have to give. Some children they will write first this one and starting this time. See? You are writing mistakes, children. If you write this way, that is a mistake method. If you give first header, then writing the word, it is not correct. You must have to write the word proper then. How you must have to write? They will write this type. These are the mistake ones they are doing then. Then, how you must have to write? If I say the word to write dhan, first write letter, then this one. That is correct one. That's why we are not giving the header first. See? That's why I am written here. This letter did not have full matra. See? Na, sha, tra. While writing, you must have to keep in your mind this ksha did not have full header. You must have to keep in your mind. Then only you have to first write all the letters, then give the full header. Then afterwards, then I am going to write another one. See? Ru plus sha plus bha. What is the word? See, so many letters with half symbol only, means half header only. See? Then what we have to do? First you must have to write all the letters. First you have to write all the letters what are given there. Rushabh. This bha did not have matra. That's why we must have to write nearly. Then you must have to form a word. Rushabh means ox. Then see bha plus ja plus na. Easy. Then write bha, ja, then na. Bhajan. Bhajan means doing prayer to the God. No singing songs like that. Then prayer songs. Then see afterwards Next, dha plus ra plus ma. Dha ra ma. Dharam. Understand, children? These are the easy and hard words. How to form a word I explained. Now how to read the word and what is the pronunciation, how we have to learn the 3-letter word, how to identify, I am going to explain that now. Now see one sentence is given. How to identify this sentence? How to identify this sentence? In previous class I explained 2-letter word with the sentence also. We formed a sentence and we studied how the word is coming and how to join the letter and what are the pronunciation of that one. Pronunciation means you must have to keep in your mind, this all very easy then. Ka, cha, ta, ta, pa. If we read ka, kha, ga, gha, this is very easy to identify also. What is the letter given here? First you must have to know this one. Sa plus cha. What are the letters in this one? Sa, cha, such. Sa. What is the sound? Sa and cha together, such. Then next, va plus cha plus na. Sa, vachan. Vachan. What are the letters in this one? We are combining that one only. We are joining the words, we are joining the letters to form a word. Then we must have to take out the sound of that one. Such, vachan, ka plus ha. Such, vachan, kah. Very easy. I told you one letter you must have to identify and take out that sound of the letter and join that. It will become a word. You can know. Now children, next sentence was, what I am writing you have to identify by reading the letter. See in this one, in this sentence we can see 2-letter words are there and 3-letter words also there. Kamar par kalash rakh. How we have to identify? First, what are the letters in this one? Ka plus ma plus ra is equal to kamar. The next, pa plus ra, par. The next, ka plus la plus sha is equal to kalash. The next, ra plus kha is equal to rakh. Kamar par kalash rakh. This is a sentence now. See, easy method. How to read? First letters. You have to identify what are the letters. Without a symbol only, no? Then you have to identify this all. Compulsory. Ka, ma, ra. Then join it. Kamar. Pa, ra. Par. Kamar, par. Kalash. Ka, la, sha. Kalash. Ra plus ra. Ra plus kha. Rakh. Kamar par kalash rakh. Then another one. See, easy method. What is that? What are the letters in that one? Cha plus ma plus na is equal to chaman. Ta plus ka, tak. Then cha plus la, chal. Chaman tak chal. Walk to the garden. Chaman tak chal. The next. sadak, sa. What are the letters given here? Sa, da plus ka, sadak. Pa plus ra, par. Chal, cha plus la, chal. Sadak par chal. Sadak par chal means walk on the footpath. Understand, children? Very easy to identify and take the pronunciation of this one. And if it is given in the textbook, what is the word? If it is given, you must have to read reading with a word, reading by a letter, and then you must have to join all the letters. Then you can read a word and a sentence very easily. Okay, children. Let me wind up this one. Then next I will explain next in the class. Thank you.